it's Anne, and I just had a random thought that what is this obsession with beauty? Whenever we see someone who is really beautiful, we stop for a minute, and I I get so mesmerized by some of these people that I try to think more about it, that what really captivates me so much. And what I found out was that we as humans want to be something, want to become something more than ourselves. I mean, to put it in a better perspective, we want to expand our life. I mean, these some of the most gracious people, they have a certain beauty of to them, and that beauty comes from structure, and that structure is inherently more like everything is so well defined about them. They have embraced themselves so well that, to put it in a better way, you see a model, she is someone beyond her own life. She represents something more than her immediate life. She is something to the world. When she represents herself to the world, she dresses in a certain way. That is her fashion sense. And she also walks a certain way, she talks a certain way, she changes it. Sure, she might change it sometime, but inherently, that definition of who she is clearly shows in the way she carries herself, in the way she presents herself. And that is the most beautiful thing about her. No matter who you are, if you have this acceptance of who you are, then I think you become more beautiful, more graceful. I don't know if that makes sense, but as human beings, we constantly want to make our lives larger. We want to expand into bigger spaces, be more known, be more, go into the places that we have never walked in, go to the unseen corners of the world. That's a person who wants to shine bright, wants to be like, and this expanding to places bigger than you. Like, as artists, we create art, and an art piece is essentially a representation of ourselves, or the world as we see it, of our perception. And dressing and fashion and gracefulness comes from that perception only. The person who walks in a certain way or talks in a certain way has essentially to accept that perspective of himself or herself. And after he has accepted that perspective, he can put it out to the world. And that acceptance of perspective shows in his or her gracefulness. I'm not sure, but yeah, this thought just stuck me. Just accept who you are. This acceptance is hard. I feel like I deleted quite a lot of my socials. I always delete my socials because I feel like I'm not being real enough in front of the people, and what videos I make or I try to record, if I try to record something, I think it is fake a lot of times. It may not be, but yeah, if I get that feeling, I do not want to keep it anymore. I just want to be as real as I can be and want to accept myself for who I am, even if that's messy. And just the moment you accept yourself, you become instantly more graceful and beautiful, and world becomes a better place with you. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.